Alrighty, man. Got you all fixed up. Pretty good little job. Ended up putting 82879-C's in there. Returning the input and output. Changing capacitance a little bit. I did quite a bit of work on this thing, man. I worked all night on it. But part of the night last night and tonight. She's up ready to go. We'll turn him off, start with straight through SWR by 99. Going straight through. Hello, audio. No SWR. Getting on through. Here's my radio. Hello, audio, radio. Hello, audio, radio. I'll turn it on. Input SWR. Hello, my input SWR. Hello, my input SWR. It's really good. Radio drive. Hello, radio drive. Hello, radio drive. Hello, radio drive. Come down here. I'm going to flip on my driver. We're going to drive with a little 2-pill. Little 2-pill, get on down. Turn him on, 15.5 volts now. 2500 watt PDP. On the bird. Hello, worldwide, 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 worldwide. Doing real good numbers. On the LP, hello, worldwide, 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 worldwide. Hello, worldwide 900 average. It's over 2000 PDP. Hello, worldwide. Like the tune right there, output tune. When you speak, hello, worldwide, worldwide, worldwide. But she's up ready to go for you, bud. There's a little video for you. I'll upload it and I'll get with you. She's repaired. She's about 2 or 3 years old. She should be good as new now, man. It should be better. Actually, when I put it back together to start with, before I did adjustments, it was doing about 1500. I did all adjustments on it. You see what's doing. Alright, buddy. Thanks for watching. Thanks for the business. Your friend 10-08 Beavis. I will catch you later on. Bye-bye.